Hey guys, it's Marcus here, aka the Affiliate Marketing Dude. And in today's video, we're going to show you how to build from scratch an affiliate marketing sales funnel in less than 10 minutes. Think we can do it? Let's start the timer and get started right now. Okay, it looks like the intro took a few seconds off of my time, but I think we can do this anyway. Today we're going to go ahead and set up an affiliate marketing funnel live in less than 10 minutes. Can it be done? Well, if I stop talking, it might be able to be done. Now, if you like this kind of stuff and you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe and click the little bell notification. That way you get my other videos and you can join us live every Wednesday where we answer your questions about affiliate marketing. Let's dive right in. First of all, we got to find us a niche. I'm going to go over to ClickBank and find something that looks pretty easy. The reason I'm using ClickBank is because everyone knows about it. This will work with ClickBank, affiliate networks, or anything that you want to run any affiliate offer. Cool. I'm going to go ahead and choose a niche called Beta Fish. This is one I've made money with in the past, and I know the offers are pretty good. So here we have Beta Lover's Guide that pays 17 bucks, almost $18 a sale, and Beta Care Made Easy that pays almost $10 a sale. Now, these are our affiliate offers, which is good. The first thing we need to do is we need to get a domain name that is going to match our offers. Now, a lot of people will say just set it up as a subdomain and whatever. Don't do that. If you plan on making more than $9 in your niche, then go buy a domain for 9 bucks, for crying out loud. It's going to make it easier to remember, it's going to keep everything isolated, and it's going to look professional and increase your sales. So don't mess around with this, it's only like 8 bucks. So let's go ahead and go over to Namecheap and choose something like Beta Care Guide or Beta Care Site or something like that. Let's see what's available. So we got Beta Care Guide, looks like that one is taken. You can see we just add an S on it. We can get betacareguides.com, which is fine with me. We're going to add this to the cart, we're going to view the cart, and we're going to order the domain. Do the stupid CAPTCHA thing. It really is trying to eat into my 10 minutes here, but you know, to each his own. We now own the domain. Now, if you set this stuff up the way that I teach you, you can actually make these instant. Okay, I'm going to show you how this works instantly. Now that we got betacareguides.com, all I have to do is go over to my web host. Now, you can learn to set all this up the right way with what I call a hub site. Okay, go do that. It's over at gohubsite.com. Follow the directions, and you'll be able to make these instantly. So we take our domain, we go to our web host. We scroll down to Domain Manager, assign a domain to our cPanel account, put the domain in, verify, assign, and boom, we should have a Bluehost or some kind of page on our domain name once we go to betacareguides.com now. Bluehost there, and it should assign it, and it'll change into some kind of other thing here. All right, great. We only got 5 minutes left though, so we got to hurry. First of all, once you have this page, you want to go back to your host, you want to click on WordPress Tools, and you want to install a new version of WordPress. Sounds difficult, it's actually really easy. We're going to click on New Install. We're going to choose the domain we just got, which is betacareguides.com. We're going to leave this blank. We're going to put Beta Fish Care Guides. We're going to put in an admin, put in a password, put in an admin email. Right like this. We're going to hit Install WordPress. In just a few seconds, it should have WordPress all installed, and it'll change the look of the actual domain name. And boom, bada bing, bada bang, we are done. Our site should look like this. Ah, wonderful. Now all we got to do is log into the admin. Boom, right like this. First, we're going to choose a theme. We go to Appearance, Themes. You can choose one of the many themes that we have for you in the Marcus Mentor course over at marcusmentor.me, which actually comes with all the plugins I'm using as well. Or you could do this on your own. It's up to you. My stuff makes it a lot easier for you. That's why I spent a small fortune making it. Now, let's go ahead and click on Upload. We're going to upload a theme. Upload, choose File. I named my theme Beta Fish. And again, there's tons of custom themes in your in the Simple Sites course and the Mentor program. Install now, and then your theme will be live. As you can see, we go to betacareguides.com, and now we have our wonderful theme and layout set up. Next, we're going to install a plugin. This is a plugin that is also included with Simple Sites Big Profits and my Mentor course that'll help you build an opt-in list. Now, this is the basics of a funnel, so you want to do that. And it's really easy. Now, you can do this on your own using HTML code, but using the plugin's a lot easier. So, we're going to log in again. We're going to go to Plugins, Add New, Upload, choose File, and we're going to choose Funnel Voodoo. Activate, and it'll pop up right down here. Now all we have to do is choose our settings. This is for our first opt-in box. We're going to choose Pages. We're going to put some content. Get your free beta fish care guide here. Center. Make it bold. Make it red. Put some arrows if you want to put some arrows. I like this. There's some arrows. Make it bigger so you can see. Center. All right, now all we have to do is if we're using Aweber, all you got to do is put your list name. So if my list is Simple Marcus or Beta Man or whatever, I just put that in there. Next, you put in your thank you URL. Your thank you URL is going to be a post. So we'll go to Dashboard, and we'll just grab the link from the Hello World post. So we'll just take this Hello World, copy. We're going to put that right in our thank you URL. Pick some bullets we're going to give them. Beta fish care tips, how to feed your fish, plus how my girlfriend has a 14-year-old fish. Okay, pretty cool. There you go. We're going to choose our color. On this one, I'm going to choose white. We're going to hit update. Boom. Next, we're going to go to widgets. Then we're going to change our settings. We want to go to reading. I want to make our home page show a static page, which is going to be the sample page. We can rename these later. Save. And then, yo, Marcus, dude, bro, your time's up, man. I want a refund on this video. But you didn't actually pay anything for the video. And besides, I've had a cold and I've been coughing the whole time I've been making the video. But I had to edit that out. Whatever, bro. You said like 10 minutes. I'm going to give this video a thumbs down. And when we go to betafishcareguides.com, we should see our main page with our arrow and our fill in the box opt-in form. Now, if we go ahead and put our name and email in the box like this, it should take us to the post that we set up. Now, these are the two essentials of your funnel. You got your first page, which is the opt-in or squeeze page, and your second page, which is the thank you page. Now all we have to do is edit them and make them look fancy. So if I want to go here, I can go back to our main page and click edit. I can change the title and say get your free beta fish care tips here. I can either list the tips out, I can use something like an image, or I could put a video. If I want to put a video, it's very easy. All we have to do is go to YouTube and get whatever video you have, click on it, and click on the share right here, embed, click all this stuff off, copy the code, and then boom, right like this, you want to do it in text, right like this, you will now have a video-based opt-in page. So you can make a video, put it on YouTube, put it on your site, literally takes seconds. Right like this, you can see now we have our video and our opt-in page. You can put all kinds of content and stuff below it as well, just like I do on my pages, like on Simple Sites bigprofits.com. You can see here we're using the same layout. We got some images, some video, some teaser copy to get them to buy things, and of course our opt-in, and this converts like a charm. Next, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and edit your thank you page. When you go into your pages, or your posts rather, we're going to go into all posts. We go to Hello World, and you could put in all of your info here saying thank you for joining, here are my affiliate links, blah blah blah, and then we're ready to go. So very easy. You could see setting up a funnel with WordPress is as easy as a snap when you use the plugins and tools that I have for you over at the mentor program at marcusmentor.me. Get all the tools, the plugins, the themes, everything to help your ship run smoothly so you can get opt-ins and make sales with ClickBank or whatever other affiliate program you want. Now, we're going to have some more detailed videos on this coming up soon, but if you like this, make sure you subscribe, click the bell, and I'll see you in the next video.